I want to make this video. This is what we call Robin's hive. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's millions of bees in the air. You can hear them. And I don't know about millions, but there's several thousand. I'm going to try to get them to go in this hive right over here, if I can. Give it an old try anyway. I don't know if they're practicing, because I've heard that they'll do that if the queen's too fat to fly. They'll thin her down. I'm in the swarm right now. Got a queen clip up here. I see the queen. I'm gonna have to nab her.